Hello vac fans. This is a 1999 Hoover SteamVac Widepath, the top of the line machine for the time. A real Hoover, not a Chinese made Hoover. And a video similar to this one showing some spot cleaning is my #1 all-time viewed video. So it's about time that we use this thing to clean a room that you've seen, our small family room. So we're going to do a quick cleaning today. And the dry time after we're done will be dependent on, a lot of people forget this, your current relative humidity. So I've got a hygrometer here, and it says right now it's 70 degrees and it's about 51% humidity. So drying time will be average. Probably take a couple of hours, but certainly not a day and certainly not 8 hours. If you're unfamiliar with this machine, there's probably plenty of other YouTube videos showing all different kinds of things, but I wanted to specifically show you this. If you wanted to go and just do light water, you squeeze this trigger. If you want to do heavy water, you squeeze both of these together and the water comes out much faster. You can empty out its top supply container very, very quickly if you use the heavy both handle squeeze, what they call clean surge, for heavy traffic areas. So we're going to put some solution in here, and then we have the recovery tank, and we will see what happens. You're supposed to fill this with the hottest water possible, and then since I'm cleaning a small room, and the room's already pretty clean, it's already been pre-vacuumed. Joe Wheeler, wife did that earlier today, did that with the Kirby G4. It foams up a little bit, and I don't need to fill it all the way. That's going to be plenty. So see, the water level's up to about here, and it's a smaller room, and it really doesn't need to be all the way up. as part of normal maintenance, you should put some water down on a flat surface, some clean water, and then actually suck it up to clean out the entire cleaning path in there, just in case there's chemicals left or any remnants. And of course we'll probably see Rosie because she thinks it's going to be her water. Well, maybe not. So let's see, we're getting ready to empty the dirty water, and this is medium wet. We literally just finished. So I'm going to guess with this level of humidity, it's probably going to be about 4 hours to dry. And it'll be very dry after that 4 hours. So here's the result. So here's the fun part. Let's see what we managed to recover. How dirty will it be? Yeah, that's not bad compared to other videos you guys have seen on YouTube. But that's probably close to a year accumulation. It's been vacuumed, but it hasn't been water extracted. There it goes. Alright, hope you enjoyed this Hoover Widepath video.